Did you know Microsoft Word can translate your entire document into another language in seconds? Let's see the magic. Everything lives under the Review tab. Look for the language group, then click Translate. You'll see three options: Translate Selection, Translate Document, and Translator Preferences. First, let's see the quickest way to get it done. Select any text you want to translate and click the Translate Selection button. As you can see, a translator panel opens on the right. Here, the top box shows your original text, and the bottom box shows the translation. Word usually detects the source language automatically, but if it guesses wrong, click the language drop-down at the top and set it manually. The next step is to pick your target language in the lower drop-down. If you change the language, the translation updates instantly. And here's the part that some people miss. You need to click Insert to replace your selected text with the translation. If you don't click Insert, nothing changes in your file. Also keep in mind that the insertion only works if a text is selected for the replacement. If you want to keep the original text and insert the translation below it, you need to select the translated text on the right side and press Ctrl+C. Then, in the document, right-click and choose any paste option, or just press Ctrl+V. It is truly this easy. Now the powerful one. To translate everything at once, choose Translate Document. In the From drop-down, you can select the document's original language. To prevent issues with Auto-Detect, let's choose the language manually here. Following this, all we have to do is set our target language, then click Translate. Word now creates a brand new document with a full translation. The best part is that your original stays untouched, and that's important because this way you never lose your source file. Save the new file with a clear name so you can tell the two versions apart. And last but not least, let's see the translation preferences. You can open it from the Translate drop-down menu, and it also opens to the right. There isn't much to play with here. We can change whether Word should offer to translate foreign language content, and below that, we can set language exclusions for this setting. If the Translate button is grayed out, you're probably in a protected or read-only document. Close protection first, or copy the text into a new file. If spell check starts flagging your translated text, set the proofing language to match. Go to Review, Language, Set Proofing Language, and pick the new language. For detailed information, watch our video on this topic. The link will be in the video description. Quick tip: press Alt, then R to jump straight to the Review tab using only the keyboard. Still fixing formatting instead of writing? Styles, references, tables? Manual fixes slow everything down. Until now, meet OnStyle. OnStyle automatically identifies and corrects issues in Word documents. And when creating new documents, it helps by applying standard styles and formatting rules. Imagine fixing all your issues related to cross-referencing, linking, instructional or hidden text, heading numbering, table formatting, and so much more with just a few clicks. Try OnStyle for free now.